Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk through how to fix iPhone slowing down. Here are the steps to fix an iPhone that is slowing down and improve its performance. First, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button. Slide to power off. Turn it back on or on your switch control. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install the latest version. Close unused apps. Swipe up or double click Home and swipe away apps running in the background. Clear Safari cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Safari, Clear History, and Website Data. Check storage space. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and see if your storage is near full. Delete unused apps. Remove apps you rarely use to free up space. Offload unused apps. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, tap on the app, tap Offload app to offload unused apps to free space without deleting data. Reduce background activity by going to Settings, General, Background App Refresh. Tap on the app and turn off unnecessary apps. Next, turn off visual effects. Go to Settings again, Accessibility, Motion, Reduce Motion, and turn it on. Disable automatic downloads. Go to Settings, Apps, App Store, Automatic Downloads, and toggle off unnecessary options. Restart your network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset. Reset network settings. Lastly, factory reset. Last resort. Back up your iPhone first, then go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.